Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show how to download Instagram posts or stories from private account. First of all, search I Save Pro bot in Telegram and hit start. If you are new to this bot, then to use this bot you must be a member of my channel. So click the join our channel button and join the channel. Now after joining the channel, come to the bot and click refresh button. Now you can download posts, stories, highlights and HD profile photo. Now I am copying story link from my private account. If I send the link to the bot, it says download error. Before contacting the support group, please check whether it was a private account. If it is a private account, then follow the steps. Click the back button or restart the bot. Then click the button download private posts without login. Watch the steps one by one. Click the button follow an Instagram account. Now enter your private account or any private account username starting with @. I'm entering my private account username. Now the bot will send follow request to the entered private account. Accept the requests to download posts from that account. Now again copy the post or story link and send it to the bot. Now successfully downloaded story from the private account without login.
Sorry, just for show.
Like this you can download all posts. Share and support us.